Gravity Forms Zapier add-on gives you the ability to integrate your forms with Salesforce, a powerful and robust CRM platform that makes it easy to follow up with leads and convert them into paying customers. In this video, we'll show you how to use the Zapier add-on to create a Salesforce lead whenever a form is submitted on your site. Please note that to integrate your forms with Salesforce, you will need a Zapier Premium account and a Gravity Forms Pro or Elite license. If you've never used the Zapier add-on, be sure to watch our tutorial, linked in the description, to help you get set up before continuing with this video. To get started, create the form you would like to integrate with Salesforce if you haven't already. For this example, I am going to use the simple contact form template. Next, head to your Zapier dashboard and create a new Zap. Be sure to give your Zap a descriptive name. For the trigger, select Gravity Forms and choose Form Submission as the event. Then, select the form you would like to use to send data to Salesforce. I'll select the form I created earlier. After you've selected your form, be sure to give your step a unique name. You'll next want to test your trigger to ensure everything works correctly. The next step is to set up the action that takes place after your event is triggered. I'll search for and select Salesforce, then set the event to create contact. Next, I'll sign into my Salesforce account to connect it with Zapier. Once your account is connected, you'll then need to map the Salesforce contact information with the appropriate form fields. After you've mapped your fields, be sure to test the step to ensure everything works properly. Next, all you need to do is publish the Zap and everything will be all set up. Now, whenever a visitor submits a form on your site, a new contact will be created within your Salesforce dashboard with the contact information they submitted on the form. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let us know in the comments. And for more guides and tutorials on all things Gravity Forms, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.